Hey guys, I was just looking at the charts and there was a few things that I just noticed, so I was gonna just do a quick update on that as well, in case that might help you guys with your charts as well. So, what I was looking at is on Bitcoin. So I mean, a big reason behind this dump to the downside, obviously we couldn't break past this area right over here with this line. So, it's just kind of a technical move back down to the downside, but also the fact that, Trump's tariff news and all this stuff, which is set for the deadline on the second, which is right over here, this vertical line. So basically what I'm looking at though is, on the 8 hour on Bitcoin, you can see that, give me 1 second. Here we go. Let me find the Here we go. So you can see that the money flow, it is really starting to kind of come to that upside, that overall direction. So we are, coming low down on this momentum wave. If we keep going a little bit more, we will start getting a hidden bullish divergence. If we start going past this, so we might have a lower low, and then it would be showing a hidden bullish divergence. But also with that said, over here on the daily chart as well. So as I was saying, let me get rid of the stuff again since the screen's already very cluttered. So if we are doing a move down, if we are doing a move down, and we kind of like align right over here in this area where, close to this intercepting line, which is also really close to this vertical line, which is the Trump tariff, that would make for a really nice move up. Like I was saying, there's five different points of confluence. We have a liquidity level right over here. We have that volume value area low. We have also that's also this 618 area, as well as we have these two intercepting lines. And yeah, so it's just, there's a lot of different things, as you can see right over here as well. We also have a daily level, so that kind of falls right on that as well. So there's a lot of different confluences showing in that specific area. So kind of with the Trump tariff news, if it is bouncing in this area, I think that's going to be making for a very, very nice, bounce to the upside. If we do get a deeper retracement, I do have this level marked out down here as well, this like 68 thousand zone. But if we do come for a deeper retracement, this is the next area right over. Let me get rid of these. This would be the next area that I would be looking at right over here, the 786, because as you can see, we have multiple intercepting lines. So that just shows for an area where would be another place you could be looking for a long from. So I'm gonna be looking to enter either ideally right on this one over here, but if we do come down deeper for the retracement, this would be that next area definitely I would be looking at. And then as you can see right below this as well, we do have a daily level right there as well. So but this area right here is really where I would be looking at. And then so that's that with Bitcoin. And then on Ethereum, I was noticing as well, I did bring it up shortly on that last video, but we are really close to be printing a bullish divergence on it on the daily, which would be a really nice move for Bitcoin. So if we just come down past this level, hopefully come right over here again where this vertical line again right over here, that is that April 2nd Trump deadline news. So if we are coming down in this area right over here, we're hitting this this line right over here, which is also it's a few different areas. So we have an intercepting line, but that's a little bit further back. But again, as long as you hit pretty close to it, they do tend to have strong moves. So that would be making for a really nice trade, and we would also be getting that divergence, which would be really what Bitcoin needs to really start breaking out of this downward trend. Maybe we can finally come up over here and then get a higher low, and then really start moving to the upside. So yeah, so that's just real quick, some things I wanted to bring up that I was noticing on Bitcoin. We did get a bounce from that area I was showing on that last video, this small area right over here. I was looking at it and was thinking to take a trade. We did have, bullish divergences, but, it is the weekend. The market's very choppy. So I'd rather wait for lower levels, but it does look pretty good right now in that 12 minutes. That 5 minute is looking really nice as well. You can see that overall, ascending of money flow. The 30 minutes, let's see how that is. 30 minutes, it is not looking that amazing. We are curving up on it at the moment, and we did also get that divergence right over here. So that's not bad. The daily or the 4 hour, 1 hour, it is starting to curve to the upside. It's just really more that those higher time frames, like that 4 hour, you could really see that money flow is really starting to lead to the outside. So yeah, so with all those things kind of aligned, I just wasn't interested in taking a trade from there. It could have been a small scalp of what do we move up, 1.3%. So it could have been good, but I'd rather really, I'm looking more to enter at one of these areas and be in a larger swing trade, hopefully for a week or two or something like that. So yeah, so that's just something I wanted to bring up to you guys real quick. And yeah, but definitely just be careful with your trades right now, and use those stop losses, because we are going to get a bounce eventually. It just depends from which level. So just don't lose all your money on the way down. So awesome. Have a good day.